In this video, 4 raised to power x divided by 20 is equal to 6. We are required to find the value of x. So we have 4 raised to power x divided by 20 is equal to 6. I'll do this as over 1 and then I'll cross multiply. This will then give us 4 raised to power x is equal to 6 times 20 is 120. So we have 4 raised to power x is equal to 120, which is now an exponential problem. Let us take the logarithm of both sides of this equation. So log 4 raised to power x is equal to log 120. Now by law of logarithm, the expression on the left is of the form log p raised to power a, which will give us a times log p. Therefore, this equation becomes x log 4 is equal to log 120. I'm going to divide both sides by log 4. So that log 4 cancels log 4. And then I have x is equal to log 120 divided by log 4. Then I can say x is equal to 120 is same thing as saying 12 times 10, or I can say 24 times 5, or I can also say 8 times 15. So I will express this as log 8 times 15, then divided by log 4. From here, we can separate this product using another law of logarithm. Log m times p will give us log m plus log p. This implies that x is now equal to log 8 plus log 15, then divided by log 4. And we can separate this division to give us x is equal to log 8 divided by log 4, then plus log 15 divided by log 4. I can write log 8 as log 2 raised to power 3, and I can write log 4 as log 2 raised to power 2. I will also write log 15 as log 3 times 5, then divided by log 2 raised to power 2. Then x is going to give me, this is 3 log 2 divided by, this is 2 log 2, then plus, separate this product into log 3 plus log 5, then divided by 2 log 2. Log 2 cancels log 2 here, so our x is now 3 over 2 plus, I'll separate this into log 3 divided by 2 log 2, then plus log 5 divided by 2 log 2. I can rewrite this as x is equal to 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 3 base 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2, giving us the final answer to this problem. Now, let us rewrite these two expressions. This will give us x is equal to 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 3 divided by log 2, then plus 1 over 2 log 5 divided by log 2. And then we apply law of logarithm, log m divided by log p will give us log m base p. Therefore, x becomes 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 3 base 2, then plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2. Giving us the final solution to this problem. Now let us do a quick check to confirm that this is correct. I'm going to put all of this in the original equation, which was 4 divided by 20, 4 raised to power x divided by 20 is equal to 6. So substituting the value we got for x into this equation, this will imply 4 raised to power, we got 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 3 base 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2, then divided by 20 is supposed to give us 6. I'm going to separate all of these powers using this law of indices. A raised to power m plus p will give us a raised to power m times a raised to power p. Therefore, we are going to have 4 raised to power 3 over 2 times 4 raised to power 1 over 2 log 3 base 2 times 4 raised to power 1 over 2 log 5 base 2. All of this divided by 20 should give us 6. 4 raised to power 3 over 2 simply means square root of 4, then raised to power 3. Here also square root of 4 raised to power log 3 base 2 times square root of 4 raised to power log 5 base 2, all of which is divided by 20 and equal to 6. Square root of 4 is 2, so we have 2 raised to power 3 times 2 raised to power log 3 base 2 times 2 raised to power log 5 base 2, all divided by 20 should give us 6. 2 raised to power 3 here is 8. Then we have 2 raised to power log 3 base 2, 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 divided by 20 is equal to 6. Now these two expressions are of the form a raised to power log p base a. By law of logarithm, this should give us p. Therefore, we have 8 times, using this law, this is going to give us 3 and this is going to give us 5. So we have 8 times 3 times 5 divided by 20 should give us 6. 8 times 3, or I can say 4 here is 2, 4 here is 5, 5 cancels 5, and we are left with 2 times 3, which is 6, and then 6 is equal to 6. Since the left hand side now equals the right hand side, it confirms that our solution is correct. Thanks for watching. Please like and share. Remember to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.